Top 10 things to do in Colombia right now. Hola, amigos. Ready to spice up your travel bucket list? We're diving into the vibrant world of Colombia, where every corner tells a story. We're going to explore the top 10 things to do in Colombia right now. But before we dive into that, did you know that Colombia has some mind-blowing and slightly bonkers facts? Did you know that a staggering 1/3 of Colombia is a thriving part of the Amazon rainforest, Earth's grandest green masterpiece? This isn't your run-of-the-mill forest. We're talking about the Colossal Amazon, the largest rainforest on the planet. Whether you fancy a jungle hike or a river cruise, the Amazon in Colombia is a year-round spectacle. And here's the wild twist. Nearly 1 million indigenous people, spanning 400 tribes with unique languages and cultures, call this vibrant green paradise home. All right, let's kick things off with a blooming bombshell. Did you know that Colombia is not just rocking the flower game? It's practically the floral superstar of the world. Get this, Colombia stands tall as one of the largest flower producers globally, sending out its vibrant bouquets far and wide. And here's the twist in the tale. A whopping 70% of these Colombian blooms struck their pedal power all the way to the United States. But wait, there's more floral flair. Out of a mind-boggling 4,000 orchid species, a jaw-dropping 1,500 are like the VIPs of the orchid world, living it up exclusively in Colombia. Salsa till sunrise. Forget samba, get your salsa fix in Cali, the undisputed salsa capital of the world. So forget your 2 left feet and let's salsa our way through. Gold galore. They built a whole museum dedicated to it. Home to the legendary El Dorado, Colombia's got more gold stories than your granny's jewelry box. The world's largest emerald, the 11,000-carat Bahia emerald, was found here. Talk about a heavy bling. This place has more bird species than any other country. It's like a feathered fashion show every day. Love your morning, Joe? Thank Colombia. They produce some of the world's best coffee. And yes, it's okay to be a coffee snob here. Gabriel Garcia Marquez, the father of magical realism, was Colombian. His stories? As enchanting as Colombia itself. Now let's talk about the psychedelic masterpiece that is the Cano Cristales River, Colombia's very own liquid rainbow. Stretching its watery canvas for a cool 100 kilometers, this river is like nature's very own mood ring, changing colors with the seasons. Picture this. It transforms into a wild palette of reds, blues, yellows, oranges, and greens, making it the ultimate chameleon of rivers. But here's the kicker. This mind-bending, rainbow-like spectacle isn't pulling a world tour. Nope, it's exclusive to Colombia, putting the unique in the Unicorn River. And here's a quirky one for you. In the ultimate coffee pilgrimage, Colombia boasts over 50,000 coffee bean farms, making it the world's coffee capital. With a climate tailor-made for coffee beans, Colombia's coffee is a delicious blend of ethical sourcing and meticulous cherry picking. Imagine coffee trees treated like VIPs, ensuring only the crème de la crème of beans makes it into your cup. It's a red carpet affair for coffee lovers, a must-visit for those who appreciate the finer nuances of a perfect brew. Now that we've got your attention with those crazy Colombia facts, let's get down to business. If you're planning to visit or are in the capital city already and wondering what to do, stick around because we've got the ultimate Colombia itinerary lined up for you. If you have not already done so, we highly recommend you subscribe to our channel, as we will be making videos on all the major countries and cities in the world. Number 1. Our first stop on this Bogota adventure invites you to explore the city's enchanting neighborhoods, from the vibrant La Candelaria to the charming Usaquén. Immerse yourself in the captivating history and lively culture as you meander through the colorful streets. Dive into Colombia's artistic and historical wonders by visiting intriguing museums like the Gold Museum, Botero Museum, National Museum of Colombia, and Mambo. These cultural gems unveil the country's treasures in a mesmerizing way. But that's not all. Bogota has more to offer. Experience the city's vibrant nightlife, savor its coffee culture, and engage in thrilling outdoor activities. Number 2. Let's add a splash of adventure to our journey with an exhilarating whitewater rafting experience in San Gil, the adventure sports capital of Colombia. Here, you'll find 3 rivers catering to all levels of thrill seekers, from serene waters for beginners to challenging rapids for adrenaline enthusiasts. Embark on guided excursions that promise not only heart-pounding drops and scenic landscapes, but also a chance to test your rafting skills. Whether you choose the calm Rio Fonts or tackle the more challenging Rio Chicamoca and Rio Suarez, each route unveils craggy canyons, lush forests, and striking rock formations. With experienced guides ensuring safety, you'll navigate the rushing rapids, discovering the natural beauty of the Santander region along the way. Get ready for an unforgettable rafting adventure in this Colombian haven. Number 3. Feeling a craving for vibrant colors and charming streets? Guata, often hailed as Colombia's most colorful town, is your answer, just a scenic 2-hour drive east of Medellin. This resort town is a photographer's delight, adorned with stunning street art and brightly painted buildings reflecting the lakeside beauty. Guatape's charm extends to its traditional houses, adorned with intricate zócalos, murals capturing the essence of village life, animals, and events. Wander through its lively streets, capturing the vibrant scenes, and indulge in shopping for unique souvenirs or a cozy coffee break at local eateries. To enhance your experience, take a boat ride around the picturesque lake or climb the 740 steps to the summit of La Pedra del Penol. At the top, relish breathtaking views of the reflective lake and the romantic town below. Guate promises a colorful feast for the senses. Number 4. Now, if you're in the mood for some ultimate relaxation after all the thrilling adventures, Cade is your ticket to paradise. Tucked north of San Andres in the Caribbean Sea, this small coral islet is a sun-soaked haven, a soothing 750 kilometers away from the hustle of the Colombian mainland. Known as Cayo Sucre or Isla Sucre, it's a boat ride away from San Andres. As part of a protected regional park, the island boasts palm-fringed beaches and towering coconut groves, offering sanctuary to countless iguanas. While the turquoise waters are a bit challenging for swimming and snorkeling due to the waves and rocks, the pristine white sands beckon for a lazy day of sunbathing. Treat yourself to cocktails and seafood delights with a side of reggae music at the island's charming restaurants. Cade is your tropical retreat, just waiting to whisk you away. Number 5. Feeling a bit adventurous? The Tattico Desert, once a vibrant tropical forest, has transformed into a mesmerizing landscape of red rock canyons that'll make you feel like you're on another planet. Nicknamed the Valley of Sorrows by conquistador Gonzalo Jiménez de Quesada, its eroded terrain showcases a breathtaking palette of yellows, reds, oranges, and grays. While hiking or biking, keep an eye out for elusive creatures like snakes, scorpions, and even wildcats blending into the arid surroundings. To top off the experience, consider spending a night at a desert hotel before heading back to Neiva. This not only allows for more exploration time, but also treats you to a dazzling display of bright stars twinkling in the night sky. Number 6. Let's take a breather and talk about the incredible Pedra del Penol, located just outside Guata in the breathtaking Andes region of Colombia. This colossal granite rock stands tall, boasting what many consider to be one of the best views in the entire country. The journey to the top involves conquering a steep, zigzagging staircase of 740 narrow steps. Once you reach the summit at 2,137 meters, a mesmerizing panorama unfolds, revealing mountains, forests, and lakes that surround this natural wonder. Take a moment to relax at the cafes or observation towers perched on the rock's peak, enjoying a drink while soaking in the awe-inspiring scenery before making your way back down. Number 7. Now, you can't visit Colombia without immersing yourself in the pulsating beats of salsa echoing through the air. Picture this: Cali, acclaimed as the salsa capital of the world, hosts an electrifying week-long festival, the Festival Mundial de Salsa. Since its inception in 2005, this extravaganza has turned the city's streets and nightclubs into a vibrant celebration. Imagine thousands of dancers, musicians, and groups converging to dance the night away, accompanied by top-class bands and world-class competitions. Throughout the week, the lively atmosphere is infused with rhythmic congas and playful trumpets, creating a dynamic fusion of music and movement. Beyond the captivating choreography and colorful costumes, attendees can indulge in entertaining concerts, savor delectable bites from food stalls, and participate in informative talks and workshops. It's a salsa lover's paradise you wouldn't want to miss. Number 8. Ready for a captivating journey through Colombia's rich history and culture? Look no further than the Gold Museum in the heart of the capital. This iconic attraction, standing as one of Bogota's top tourist hotspots, houses an extraordinary collection of pre-Columbian gold artifacts. Since its establishment in 1939, the museum's sleek and modern structure has become a treasure trove, boasting over 55,000 pieces crafted from stone, bone, ceramic, and textiles by various pre-Hispanic peoples. The exhibits, thoughtfully arranged, not only showcase the incredible craftsmanship, but also delve into the cultures and creation myths of these ancient civilizations. As you wander through the museum, you'll encounter glittering masks, plates, and anthropomorphic figures, each narrating a unique story. Among the highlights is the remarkable Musca raft, discovered in 1969, featuring 11 intricately carved gold figures on a raft, believed by many to symbolize the legendary El Dorado's gold offering ceremony. It's an enthralling experience that provides a captivating glimpse into Colombia's fascinating past. Number 9. Scuba dive with whale sharks. Get up close and personal with these gentle giants off the coast of Malpelo Island. Forget puny penguins, skip the grumpy dolphins. Let's dance with the underwater party animals, whale sharks. Picture this, you, gliding alongside a 40-foot polka-dotted leviathan, feeling like Moby Dick's BFF instead of his lunch. Malpelo Island's the VIP club for these gentle giants, where you can ditch the snorkel and high-five their giant toothy grins. So ditch the landlubber life, grab your fins, and let's boogie with the biggest fish in the sea. This is scuba diving, Colombian style, minus the narcos, and plus the underwater rave. Trust me, this ocean adventure will leave you more smitten than a remora hooked on a cruise ship. Your biggest worry is sunburn from a whale shark's sneeze. You in? Number 10. And finally, dive into the enchanting allure of Cano Cristales, lovingly dubbed the liquid rainbow or the river of 5 colors. Tucked near the delightful town of La Macarena in the Serranía de la Macarena National Park, this natural wonder, once off-limits due to FARC presence, has made a triumphant return to the travel circuit thanks to carefully curated tours by select agencies. The riverbanks, adorned with a stunning palette crafted by plants, rocks, sand, and algae, transform the waters into a mesmerizing canvas of black, white, green, yellow, and vibrant red hues. As you meander along the banks, the adventure unfolds, revealing hidden treasures like the captivating waterfall of Los Cuarzos and inviting natural pools for a revitalizing swim. With Cano Cristales now open to exploration, it calls on adventurous spirits to savor its captivating magic and unparalleled splendor. Closing the chapter on our Colombian escapade, we've explored some of the nation's most enchanting and diverse wonders. Yet this is just a glimpse of the vast tapestry that is Colombia. Whether you're drawn to its rich history, culinary delights, or the sheer joy of exploration, Colombia welcomes every kind of adventurer. Share with us in the comments below your experiences at these remarkable spots, or suggest cities you'd like us to feature next. Thanks for being part of this journey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel insights and delightful facts. Here's to more adventures and happy exploring.